Evacuate can be used to evacuate part or all of a high-rise residential building in an emergency situation. Housed in a robust, vandal-resistant cabinet with easy-to-operate toggle switches, the Evacuate control panel is connected via a series of monitored flat interface units to evacuation alert devices located inside individual flats. After consultation with the relevant fire and rescue services, flats are programmed to belong to building-specific evacuation zones, typically one zone per floor. In an emergency situation, should the fire and rescue service need to evacuate the building, they simply unlock the cabinet and activate the relevant evacuation zone control switch. This will cause all evacuation devices located in that zone to operate. Should the fire spread, more evacuation zones can be activated to ensure the safe and orderly evacuation of all at-risk residents. With an extensive range of evacuation alert devices, from self-testing sounders to visual indicators and vibrating pillow pads, Evacuate is a truly accessible BS-8629 compliant evacuation alert system. What's more, the system is fully compatible with CTEC's secure, cloud-based Envision data management software, allowing verifiable system status information to be remotely reported to duty holders and other stakeholders. New regulations and recommendations in the Grenfell Tower Inquiry Report mean the demand for evacuation alert systems is increasing.